Future-proof your customer service, 3 trends for 2024. Welcome to the future of customer service, where meeting customer expectations means providing a personalized and connected experience. In 2024, productivity and cost savings are crucial, and the right technology can help achieve this without compromising on quality. Trend 1: AI is an opportunity, not a threat. Despite concerns, AI is already enriching every aspect of customer service. Companies that integrate AI into their service platforms see improved efficiency and productivity. Human-AI collaboration, employee onboarding, and knowledge creation will transform the future of customer service. Trend 2: advances in field service. AI will help attract and retain frontline workers by improving productivity and job satisfaction. Predictive maintenance, automated work summaries, and self-service tools will enhance the field service experience. Trend 3: revenue generation at the forefront. AI-driven cross-selling will turn customer service into a profit center. Consolidating tech investments and adopting a unified platform will create a continuous feedback loop, enhancing customer engagement and satisfaction. Embrace the future of customer service by combining people, technology, and processes. Deliver faster, more effective service at scale with AI assisting you every step of the way. The future of customer service starts now. See how generative AI can help you shine in every customer interaction.